on YouTube? This Macatech 215 back at y'all with another one. I know I've been a little MIA lately, but I had a lot of stuff going on as far as school and you know, because I'm trying to move up in my job, so my job has sent me to school, and I'm doing a lot of training as far as that. But yeah, and then also I'm in Hamina now. I'm on my way over to my guy's shop because I'm turning the light on here. That thing there coming out of the goddamn trunk is a drive shaft. Yes, meaning needs a drive shaft. The drive shaft on this motherfucker is done. Like, I'm driving it right now, but as far as acceleration and shit like that, it's like thumping and all types of shit. If I try to, yeah, it's thumping like that. And then hard shifts, all type of shit. But then also I already got it checked out anyway. I took it to my guy's shop. He put it up in the air. Yeah. Yeah. Oh hell. Yeah. Yeah, that ain't supposed to move like that. That's a lot. And yeah, the drive shaft is done, as you can see from that video there. So yeah, I'm headed over there now. I had to come straight from work because I just got it the other day. I had to come straight from work, grab a meeting because I got a rental, drop the rental off at the house, hop in this, put the drive shaft in the back, and I'm shooting over to the shop now to try to get this baby installed and get Hamina running right and back on the road, because I got a lot of other shit on, you know, that I got planned, and things that had came in. So I'm trying to hurry up and get this done, get this over to the shop, and you know, get this up and running right. You know, this is my baby. So also the crazy thing is I do have a warranty. But this warranty company that I'm dealing with, American AGD, some shit like that, it's a piece of shit ass warranty company, where I had to get a starter beforehand. Before they told me some BS about all I had to do is pay $100. Go thinking that all I had to do was pay $100. Long story short, I ended up, they only paid $100 out of a $500 repair, and you know, that was pretty much labor. And then they turned around and said that they wasn't going to cover the cost of the part or the starter because the place that I took my car to was charging too much for the starter, which was basically bullshit, because I had to end up going with OEM dealership starter straight from the manufacturer, same thing I already had, because when we tried to go to AutoZone or any other cheap company, it didn't bolt up right with my car. So I tried explaining that to them, and it was a bunch of bullshit or whatever the case is. So I might end up ultimately getting rid of that whole warranty thing anyway. But it was just something that I got as part of me refinancing my car. So you know what? They sold it to me it sounded nice when they was trying to sell the shit to me, you know, telling me all this type shit. Yeah, this is our platinum package, and this, that, and the third. They cover, you know, basically bumper to bumper, pretty much the same as a brand new car, all this bullshit, or whatever the case was. It sounded nice at the beginning, but like I said, I might end up canceling them, because who needs a warranty when you thinking you have $100 deductible and you got to turn around and still come out of pocket because they want to be skimpy and, you know, on bullshit when it comes to repairing your car. They want to do what's convenient for them instead of what's convenient for you. So like I said, that's how I feel about that, or whatever the case is. But that's neither here nor there, or whatever. Car's still gonna get fixed regardless. But yeah, I'm shooting over to here. If traffic want to work with me here, so I can get over here in decent time, because he told me they close soon. But you know, if I get it there, he'll stay open and I'll work on my car. Decent dude. I've been dealing with him for a long time. Cool as shit. So, but I'm gonna see y'all on over there at the shop when it's getting put up in the air and everything's getting put in, and y'all can see what's going on for yourselves. All right, so I'm just getting to my guy G's shop. Yeah, he came through in the clutch, because trying to go through the dealership and all that shit, like, Dodge do not have the best fucking service and shit. As far as trying to get your car in and worked on, it's like I done went to 2 different dealerships and they told me a bunch of bullshit or whatever the case is. So my guy G coming up straight to the shop. Yo, G.
It's gonna be mine.
It's gonna be yours. You got it, man. Down to the shop. G shop. Like I said, he looked out for me. Let me flip it around. Yeah, he came through in the clutch. Like I said, trying to go through the dealers. I went to 2 different dealers, got turned down around Thanksgiving time, and like it was some bullshit. Like, I mean, I'm trying to tell him my car fucked up. Like we don't have enough techs. This, that, and the third. Like I said, I would have did this shit myself. But the only thing is, like I said, I gotta drop the exhaust, and there's a lot of shit involved where the car really needs to be up in the air to really be able to get in there and get this job done right and quick, you know, as possible. But yeah, like I said, I went to 2 different dealerships. They basically turned me down. It was a bunch of excuses. They didn't have enough techs, a bunch of shit. So I hit my guy G up. He came through. He said, bring that thing through. Whatever. He checked it out, determined it was the drive shaft, whatever. I ordered it, and he just said slide through or whatever when I got it. So, like I said, he came through. My man looked out. So, my man here, they about to take care of me or whatever. And when they get it all jacked up in the air and everything, I'm gonna show y'all what's going on and them taking it out step by step. This is the new drive shaft. Mina is up, getting worked on, pulling them back bolts out, getting it right. This is the new one here. On this joint here, you gotta drop the drive shaft. I mean, exhaust to get it out. You won't.
Don't know yet. We're gonna try not to.
Yeah.
Try to slide it.
Cause I was thinking about doing it myself, but I'm like, if I gotta drop the drive shaft doing it on the ground, I ain't gonna have the clearance. So I was like, fuck it, let me just slide it through here. Yeah, for sure. Try to slide that big ass jump. It's tough like that.
Yeah.
Sheesh. Yeah, shit over here. Trying to get the bolts out here. Gotta slide this shit all the way over. Then what actually broke? What is? Because I know it's a bracket in the middle. We pulled it down the other day.
Yeah.
And I know it was a bracket in the middle. So did the bolt just snap off of it, or
No, it's still in there.
the bolts are still in it? But what is the bearing inside? Just okay. So the bearing itself, what you call? Just it's bad. So all right. Like I said, the one this came out of, it was like a 2016, I think the same year, but just lower models. It was like 19,000 miles, so it shouldn't be that bad. Hopefully, when nobody wasn't beating on it, no shit like that. But yeah, try to get this shit out. From there, so you want to try to slide it out. It's traveling all the way down to this end here. If y'all can see, it's the other end here, but it's a bearing that sits in the middle, somewhere over there, somewhere that went bad. That sits in the middle of the drive shaft here, as you see. Yeah. Down here, yeah, this middle bearing here went bad. So now it's just bouncing around all in there, all loose and shit. So, like I said, this one here only had about 19,000 miles on it, so it shouldn't be that bad. Too much to worry about. So, like I said, once he get it up, we'll see how he gets it out. Whether he slide it out or he got to drop the exhaust or whatever to get this done and get her back on the road running right. Alright, y'all, at this point, yeah, he's looking it out. You see Amina back there, but yeah, he's checking it out. And it's looking like he might have to drop the exhaust to, my sister called me. She's in the middle of my goddamn, sorry sis, I gotta ignore you for the time being. I'm in the middle of a video. But, yeah, he may have to drop the exhaust to get the drive shaft out. He's trying to see, he's still in the mix of getting the bolts out of the drive shaft or whatever. But, yeah, and then my phone's dying on top of that, which is a constant issue. I gotta get me a motherfucking GoPro. This is bullshit. But yeah, I'm gonna try to pick it back up or preserve as much of my battery as possible so that I can get like our end result when it's all said and done, when it's finished and me test driving the car. I'm gonna try to, but even if I can't get it in this shot and I gotta go home and recharge my battery or whatever the case is, I'm still gonna come back out, test drive it, and let y'all know what's going on, how the car feels and everything like that, and if it's back to normal. So like I said, just stay tuned. And as you can see her back there, she's looking good and shit. She's getting some surgery done so that she can rock out. You know what I mean? Beat the streets up as she do or whatever, and I'll let y'all know. I'll keep y'all posted with everything. Yo, I am fucking pissed. The fucking drive shaft that I got from the salvage yard is fucking basically worse than the fucking drive shaft that I have in my car now that's already fucked up. I don't understand why the fuck in the salvage LKQ is the fucking place that sent me this dumbass fucking drive shaft. Why would you not test the part that you're getting out of a car? Why post it if it's fucked up? That don't make sense. Who does that? You taking parts out of cars, you test it, you check it the fuck out, and you see if it's fine. You don't fucking, oh my God, I'm pissed the fuck off. Like I'm up here sitting up in the air in my car, as you can see, way the fuck up in the air because I gotta hold the brakes because the car is acting fucking retarded or whatever. I put it in park and the thing still wanna roll. It's crazy, but they take it out of the fucking wrapper and the fucking middle bearing is just as bad as mine. And then the front part of it is wiggling around. That's supposed to be solid. Like, this is crazy. So they gonna try it just to see how it is, whatever. If it's fucked up, this is retarded. Because now I gotta send it back. My car is fucked up even longer. I gotta wait for shipping and all this shit for me to send it back or them to send another one or whatever the fucking case. This is shit. It's turning into a fucking headache. Like, this shit is stupid. It's fucking retarded. Stupid, man. I'm like super frustrated right now. Like, this is dumb. I was hoping I was gonna have my car done and be rolling or whatever the case is, but you can't even trust these fucking websites. Like, this shit is crazy. So now what it's looking like I'm gonna probably have to go and just probably order the fucking drive shaft from the dealer. I didn't want to do that because I seen a solid one piece aluminum drive shaft for $1,000. So I said, fuck it. I end up upgrading to that, and I just get this used one from the salvage yard. I only paid $230 for this, and that'll be that. But I can't even do that. So now I'm gonna probably have to go to the dealer, put an order in, and end up paying $1,000, $1,100 for OEM fucking drive shaft, the same that's already in here. This is dumb. Like, I kind of wanted to upgrade. I looked at it like a blessing, even though, the car fucked up on me. But at the same time, like I said, I'm going to have to probably end up going to the dealership and ordering a brand new one just to have this shit done and right and have the shit right where I'm not fucked up, and I can depend on the car again, So, like I said, this is just, super fucking frustrated. So, like I said, when they done, I'll take it for a test drive and see how shit goes, see how I perform and how it drives. Like I said, hopefully they put it in and it's right or whatever by some chance. They just, was just wrong by taking it out of the thing. But they showed me and one of the ends is wiggling around and shit. So I don't fucking know. So, like I said, once you get it in, like I said, I test drive, I'll see how it is, see if there's any vibrations or if it drives normal. And like I said, we pick it up from there. This shit is crazy. Yeah, this shit is fucking dumb, man. Driving my car back home, broke up and shit. It sound worse than before. I can hear this shit rumbling under the fucking car. Hope this shit don't break down. But only good thing is I do still got the rental, so I can get back and forward. I'm gonna have to figure some shit out. Rather, I can call a dealer, and I'm 9 times out of 10 I'm gonna probably have to go and pay $1,000 for this fucking for this part for an OEM version. Just go ahead and get it done, pay them, get it done, whatever it costs, just to have my shit running right, man. Because like I said, I can't be sitting here with my car fucked up and I'm paying for it. Like, that's dead. Like I said, it's been too long. And like I said, at this point I just want my car fixed. So, like I said, I'm probably 9 times out of 10 either take it to the dealer, just pay, and like I said, pay and get the part, the OEM shit for $1,000, or what the fuck is going on there? It keeps stopping, close. And this shit here was a fucking nightmare, man. I'm thinking my car gonna be fixed and shit, and I'm still in the same predicament. So now I gotta send this bullshit ass fucking part back that's sitting in the back. Fucking whole end of it is blown the fuck out. Like, I don't know how they didn't see that upon taking it out of whatever they took it out of. Why would you post a part if you didn't even check it? Y'all just took it out and straight threw it online for sale. No, you look at the shit before you fucking sell it. Like, that goes hand in hand. Check the fucking part out, then you put it online for sale. So, like I said, I'm gonna keep y'all posted on where I am with the situation with the car. Like I said, should be back and running in no time. Like I said, it's just a matter of seeing which way I'm gonna go with it. And it's fucking even more sad that I got a warranty that I can't even fucking really use because they like to shortchange you and you know, pay for shit that's convenient for them. Like I said, that's not much of a fucking warranty at all, in my opinion, but it is what it is, like I said. So, like I said, I'll keep y'all posted. Like, subscribe at this time, all that good shit. And, you know, and I'll keep y'all updated as, you know, I go on with this and let y'all know what I decide to do and what I'm going with. On that note, I'm out of here. Mac Attack. Catch y'all on the next one.